Good morning, class. Today we'll be starting with the topic stock exchanges. All right. So, now what is the meaning of stock exchange? Coming to that, stock exchange is also known as secondary market, and it is a place where different equity shares, debentures, they are deal. All right. So, it is a market setup which is very much organized and caters to the buying and selling of securities. Basically, buying and selling of securities takes place through stock exchanges, and it is governed by one of the most systemized and simplified agency, that is SEBI. Stock exchange or secondary market is classification of capital market. Capital market is basically a market where the big businessman or companies invest their shares in debentures or bonds to raise money. Definition of stock exchange as per Securities Contract Act 1956 is stock exchange means any body or individuals, whether incorporated or not, constituted for the purpose of assisting, regulating, controlling the business of buying and selling securities. All right, so basically, stock exchange is a kind of body of individuals that is incorporated mainly to assist, regulate, and control the business of buying and selling. Types of stock exchanges in India. Basically, India has two types of stock exchange, that is BSE and SE. BSE is Bombay Stock Exchange. Bombay Stock Exchange was first stock exchange that was set up in Asia in the year 1875, and it was basically formed as Native Share and Stock Brokers Association. During the course of its journey, Bombay Stock Exchange has been highly responsible for growth and development of Indian economy. Alright, presently more than 6,000 companies are listed at BSE, and that takes it to the big stock exchange. Now coming to the National Stock Exchange, in terms of trading numbers, National Stock Exchange is the largest stock exchange. Basically, the first and the most largest stock exchange is National Stock Exchange. Here, the traders and investors are provided with service of trading in multiple securities, which includes debt and equity that is issued by central or the state government. Apart from trading, can also be done in commercial paper. So NSE also includes commercial bills, certificates, deposits. Around 1,000 members are listed at NSE, and they all are doing this business where the exchange of securities is taking place. There was basically investors approach NSE for dealing in three types of segments, and namely these segments are capital markets, FNO, wholesale debt. The operations at NSE began in the year 1994. What operation means, the working of National Stock Exchange started in 1994. Mainly, that comprises of three segments. National Stock Exchange was promoted as a joint stock company under the Companies Act 1956, and was initially promoted by, now mainly there are seven banks which seven no, sorry, not seven, there are 10 banks which promote the National Stock Exchange: ICICI, IDBI, IFCI, LIC, GIC, SBI, Capital Market Limited, FS. In 1973, it was initially given approval for span of 5 years by the Government of India. So when National Stock Exchange was first set up, it was just given the approval for setting up for just a tenure of 5 years, and later on it was being elasticated for a longer period of time. Now coming to Bombay Stock Exchange. Bombay Stock Exchange was the first stock exchange but was set up in Asia. In year 1875, it was basically formed by Native Share and Stock Brokers Association. During the course of journey, BSE has been highly responsible. So BSE was the oldest National Stock Exchange was recently been set up, but BSE was a stock exchange which was set up at the time of British rule. The companies listed at BSE is 1.28 trillion in Feb 2010. The first stock exchange in India to get an ISO 9007 and 2000 certification is BSE, and it is also the first in country to receive ISMS, Information Security Management System. The index of Bombay Stock Exchange, Sensex, at BSE trading in FNO is also provided and recognized. Now coming to the difference between Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. Bombay Stock Exchange is not fully automatic, whereas National Stock Exchange is electronic, as it is newer in comparison to the Bombay Stock Exchange. Alright. Major index, the Bombay Stock Exchange has a Sensex as major index. It includes 30 scripts for different sectors. NSE, the NSE has Nifty major index. It includes 50 scripts from different sectors. Number of listing, Bombay Stock Exchange has 4,000 stocks because it is oldest. NSE has 2,000 stocks. The operation started from 1964 onwards, and the base is considered to be 100. The operation started from 1990 for taking base of 1,000. Regulatory body for Bombay Stock Exchange is SEBI, and regulatory body for National Stock Exchange. It has its own body, plus it follows some of the rules of SEBI, but it has its own regulatory body. All right, understood.